So what's going on YouTube? Welcome back for another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a centerpiece table for your living room. So those are gonna be the leftover hardwood floor I did use to make my flooring in the living room. So I'm gonna use the same technique, the same principle you use to make the flooring. So that's the same technique I'm gonna use to do the countertop for the table. So if you have anything at home, guys, like I said before, don't forget to use them, don't waste them. You can create something for it and you're gonna save money by doing that. So making right now the countertop for the table. So and I'm using my Miro saw. Even you don't see it, but it's right beside on blue, as you can see right there. So you can use like a, I don't know, a circular saw or a table saw. It's all depends to you. So now my countertop is finished. I'm gonna use like a MDF wood board just to make like a support under it. So first I'm gonna cut it. So again, I didn't buy this one. I just removed it from an old desk I had in my house. So I just gonna use it just for support. So basically it cost me $0 to build that or to create that table, guys, honestly. So everything I'm using in this video, it's something I had before at my garage, and then I just used them. There you go. Now it's fit properly, so I just need to apply some wood glue just to make sure that it's not gonna peel out after. So again, a little bit of adjustment. So everything looks good, everything looks center. So even like that, it's still solid, but you know, it's gonna be a table, so something gonna be sit on it and stuff like that. So it's better make it solid. You can put as much as you want. So again, wood glue, it's always important to apply when you're doing some project like this one. And then I apply my 18 gauge nail gun just to secure that 100%. So like this, guys, you can go wrong, there's nowhere. And then I type it to put the nail in. As you can see, there's some extra MDF board dimension just come out, so I'm gonna just remove those quickly. And again, I choose to use my my table saw, but you can use your circular saw, or unfortunately you can use a Miro saw. It's too long for it. And then the only thing we're gonna miss in this video, so you won't see how I create the legs, but I'm gonna show you in detail. I'm sorry for that. So basically the countertop is done. It's look nice and clean. To make it more beautiful, I'm gonna add some, you know, some siding. Like I'm gonna go ahead using the primer MDF molding. So those are not too cheap, but I decided to go with the 1.5 2 by 1.5. So just get 2 of it and then make it the siding. So it's gonna be nice, guys, at the end. So taking the measurement, go cut that, and then just nail it together. You know, it's also good to add some wood glue at the side because it's gonna be a permanent table. That means I'm gonna keep it for a long time. Then you make sure all those corners it's all secure. Again, using your nail gun, it's the key. I love it's one of the best tools I can ever have, the nail gun. So anyway, so this is it, guys, with the siding. As you can see now, it's nice and beautiful. The contrast at the side, it's make it so nice. So but I'm not done yet, so I have to go adding some stand. I want it to be a little bit more like new, you know, because those hardwood was sitting there for 2 years in the garage, so I have to like sand it and then stand it. So adding some pen tape just to cover the white side, because I don't want this stand to just go mess it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and use again some red arc, so to make it a little bit shiny, a little bit nice, a little bit cleaner, you know. And this is it. At the end, it looks like this. All right, now the countertop is done. Now I'm gonna go do the legs. As you can see, I have some like I would say the rectangle 2x4 legs already prepared. So I'm sorry about that, I didn't take a video when I was building those one, but it's really straightforward and basic, just 2x4, and then you just put them together. That's it. So now I'm gonna use the plywood. Those are so good, guys. Honestly, I always keep one sheet in my garage because I love those pure bond, you know, those thick what do you call it again? I think birch plywood, something like that they call them. So those are good. I love them because I use them all the time for anything furniture. They build with those kind of plywood, so it's really nice to have that in your garage. So I'm gonna just go ahead and cover that with that birch plywood, and then you're all good to go. So again, all those details with the material gonna be in the description below. Just click down there to see the link and see what material we use to build that beautiful table. So as you can see here, I'm making some holes to add some screw, and then I put that on, and that's it, good to go. So I'm gonna just do like, basically it's gonna be a rectangle leg, but you can go ahead do it like a square or whatever shape you want it to be. You can go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna cover that with the plywood, and then apply some wood filler to just cover all the gap. So as you can see here, now it's all nice. Already it's look good. It's look good already, but I need to kind of make it the really good finish. So go ahead, add the wood filler, and then you just sand it, paint it, and then we're good to go. Just go ahead, sand that properly, and then you all ready to paint it, you know. Look pretty good, so I can't complain. It's really smooth. So now I'm just apply the primer, and then I paint it again white, so you're gonna see the finish. It's so beautiful, so it's all nice. So one thing you can do, guys, if you want, you can spray it. So I didn't want to apply the spray paint. I just used I like the brush dry faster, so I go ahead, use the brush, and then it's good to go. And then I decide to also paint the corner of my countertop, which is the tabletop. So you remember the primer PDF board. So I just paint that, make it fresh, because the legs are gonna be fresh paint, so it's good for that to be fresh as well. So after that, guys, you're all ready to set that up. So I got the legs. Now I'm gonna do the support for the legs, because I don't want to screw on top of the counter. I want the to hide all those screw. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get another plywood.
I've been stuck on me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just.
Now the legs are ready to install. Just gonna flip that upside down and then add the legs. Make sure I have the right measurement, because you don't want it to, you don't want like you want the legs to be centered, you know what I'm saying? So you don't want it to be like shifting one side or not in the other side. So you want it to be really centered, so the same level, the same length from the left to the right. So that's why I'm checking, make sure it's all good. So installing the table, as you can see how it's sitting there, removing the tape, clean a little bit, and then this table is out for anything, whatever you want to put on, it's good to be played. Look at that, matching the floor.
I just need to clear my head.
So beautiful finish, guys. I really like it. And guess what, even my visitor, they really like surprised about this table when they see it. They didn't even know I made the table. And again, like I said, I can move it from this living room to the other living room. So every living room or every area, whatever I want that to play, I can play it. So go ahead, guys, do something similar at home. If you find this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And the most importantly is to come back. See you next time.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.